I was just, whoops. I was just standing here washing my hands at the sink, and I'm looking at that one that I usually have them together because this one's like such a duck head. But it's other things too. I think it was a tool, but look in the shadow on that side. Like, I always saw that as a bird with its head turned this way, like its beak over here, its head turned, wing, because of the shape of it too. Like, but now, like, it has it's cool, whatever. I usually would have it like this or something.